What's up, guys? Brian Callahan Garage here. Decided to come to an actual Harley shop to hang out with some friends of mine. That he actually knows how to work on them, unlike myself. Ain't that right, Charles?
I can miss one up.
So we're trying to figure out this clutch. The problem with this clutch. It's a new clutch, but it's kind of chattering. We were going to just start it and see if we could hear the chatter, but I guess now we're just going to turn it over, which takes all the fun out. But I'll catch up once we figure out what's going on with this clutch.
Switch on. Switch it on. You should be in neutral. And we are.
Hit the button.
Yeah.
Because then we get just, you know.
Talk to me, Charles.
Go.
Just bump it.
No, turn it over and grab the clutch so we can get one.
Go. Go.
All right, guys. What's up, guys? So that didn't work that way, so we're going to fire this thing up.
Ready, Charles?
Yeah.
You know, see what happens. That sounds like the bearing to me.
Yeah.
You told me to kill it?
Yeah. I mean, let's listen to it back. See what. All right, let's try it again. Yeah, that's a bearing. That is definitely, because again, you could definitely hear the difference once you did it side by side. So, Charles, this is a 2010. What years of this clutch is this like the same clutch you've had forever?
Same clutches forever.
Same clutch forever? Mm-hmm. You need like special tools to disassemble this, or is it?
No, you don't need special tools.
Yeah, so I always see, you got to have a Harley tool to do a Harley thing.
No, not in this case. 10 millimeter, take the clutch retainer off.
You just slide it out. And
You don't ever back all these bolts out one at a time. You kind of like go in a pattern. There's a pattern 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you just back them all out evenly so you don't warp this plate.
I gotcha.
And that's your spring retainer plate. And this is your clutch spring. I don't see any damage to it.
Is that bit so scripting on that gel? Oh, that's a piece of paint. Right
That's
there.
paint, that's paint. I see them with wear marks, but it's not cut into it. Can't feel it with my fingernail.
You ready to do surgery, Charles?
Now, again, this clutch got less than 1,000 miles on it, so we're going to check for some burns and abnormal wears. This is where we're gonna find the bolt sitting in the clutch tray.
What do you think?
Find a bolt. Come on out of there.
I'm cursing. That's a curse word to him right now.
The clutches look brand new. They are.
Did you replace the plates?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I mean. And from my understanding, most Harley motorcycle clutches don't even really require much break-in, so it's not like.
Now you soak them.
Yeah.
About 5 minutes, and the oil that's gonna go in here
Charles is loving it today.
Oh man, having so much fun.
You got 2 people here second guessing your work. The,
Not me.
the owner and some random YouTube mechanic that don't know shit.
Oh, them look good.
Yeah, we need it.
There's several.
It was like, it wasn't a crowd in that box. That box was heavy, wasn't it? That box heavy.
I don't see no abnormal wear on any of them. So the clutch is definitely not dragging you. You ain't been riding the clutch.
Have you guys even looked in the transmission at all, or smelled that fluid or anything, or changed that fluid?
Yeah, it's been changed.
Let me ask you this question. After you get the clutches out, can you start it?
No.
You can't.
Yeah, because well, one, you don't want to pull the clutch because the next thing you know, you're going to be bleeding the clutch because it pushes the ram too far out.
I just seen that little white dot.
That was a shiny part, is what I'm saying.
So, is it actually? So you said it's slipping in 5th.
That's what he says.
Is this slipping in 5th?
Yeah, it is. It is. I mean, that's just like, it's not slipping when it go in 5th, no. If I'm in 5th gear and running 70 and want to kind of nail down on
You ain't gonna do it. Ain't gonna go zoom.
it's
You
gonna
in
slip
fifth?
some.
No, it ain't gonna slip. That's not slipping wrong.
What is it?
That's you already okay. Just like your car. If you in a high gear and you give it gas, you have something in transmission, basically I'll call it kick down. It drops it a gear, so that you can take. Like you stole money that day.
What's that? Drop?
I'm gonna tell the story. He stole the guy. He run up there beside him in 3rd gear and told him that's a race. And the guy in 5th or 6th gear, then he takes off. That's not slipping, wrong.
But listen to me. But okay, check this out. But when I'm in 6th gear, I can do that. Look, throttle down on it, and it won't do it, Charles.
Wrong. I guarantee you it is doing it. I can guarantee you that, buddy.
I'm gonna ask a stupid question. Do you have one of them lights that tell you what gear you're in? Because I don't have one of those on my bike, but this looks new enough. Maybe you need.
Yeah. Yeah, that didn't have it either.
There's no burnt marks in the clutches whatsoever. Clutches look good. Spacer plates look good.
Oh, Lord, how many left? Put it in the car. Might want to go ahead.
Yeah. So the moral of that story, though, is drop a gear, disappear. You never heard of that? I mean, it's a Harley, so you're not gonna disappear, but.
I got one on there make it disappear. I know one that'll definitely make it disappear.
But,
That one on Reddy's.
oh, yeah.
I don't see nothing.
That's all.
I
No,
don't see nothing. In the clutches.
nothing.
Whoa.
What?
Spin that again.
Don't fool do that.
That's burning.
Oh, hey, is it the thing I said it was like 10 minutes ago? Is it the thing I said it was like 10 minutes ago?
All they got to come out.
All those gotta come out.
All of that in there got to come out.
Ain't nothing to it.
Shine.
You got a bad hub burn. I'm willing to bet you on it almost.
I mean,
Yeah, I hear it grinding.
Yep.
Harley
So-
got one?
They probably do.
yeah, I mean, it ain't like my bike where you got to order stuff because it's, Harley ain't made
You got
parts.
one laying on the floor in your shop?
Well, if I had one, it would be on the floor because that's where I keep most of my shit. So you clearly watch my show. But no. Honestly, it's probably there's probably not much to that. That's probably just a regular press bearing, or is it a? We'll probably get the numbers off of it and find a bearing pretty quickly. But I'd just like to point out, I did say bearing like 10 minutes ago. I know you're not acknowledging that, but I did.
I didn't hear you say it.
See, man, you can't win with these guys. You cannot win.
Huh?
Like, you can't. See, you can't win. All right, guys. So we think we figured out where the noise come from. Unfortunately, it's a little beyond my skill, and they're going to be waiting for parts. So if you hear the shaft, you probably can't hear that on camera. But when you activate the clutch springs, the reason why it's so much louder is when I pull it out, versus when it's in, it's a lot less. So the pressure of that clutch spring is pulling it out. So it's either a bearing on the other side of here. Everything else looked pretty good. I mean, the bearing here is pretty good, and yeah, don't judge that. We broke that. Don't judge me. I'm not a mechanic. Yeah, see, he's blaming me. We know who did it because he quickly blamed me. But this bearing was actually pretty good. So it really wasn't there. So as we dug deeper, like I said, we got to that shaft, and again, you could hear it, semi-loud, but not enough to where you would hear it over the pipes. But if you pull this out when the clutch is engaged, it's so much louder. I don't know if you guys are picking that up on the thing, but anyway, so we're gonna get some parts. I probably have to got a little more specialty in transmissions because I don't do transmissions. So we'll update you guys. We'll let you know what happens with this bike. Thanks for watching. Well, guys, things probably got, you say out of control?
It's out of control.
Yeah, just a little bit out of control, not a whole lot.
But we think we found the noise.
I thought it was the bearing, or then this, or then that. It looks like it is probably in the shaft inside the transmission coming out. But we did learn how to put a clutch in today. Thank you so much for that, Charles. Yeah. He's very annoyed because, we don't have these parts on hand. Did you bring your credit card? Because you might need it as head goes down. So it is actually pretty easy, I'd say, to change the clutch on a new Harley.
Change the clutch is real easy.
Not expensive. You can do it at home. So we definitely want, know you guys can do that. And, and sometimes shit happens. Yeah. But hey, thank y'all so much for watching Callahan Garage. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I am actually here. So thank you.